Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new report for subscribers on a low float Nasdaq trading just under $1.50 that insiders have been buying. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, it's been a quiet week here at InsiderFinancial.com this week. I didn't see that much to do as I've been bearish on the market, but I am starting to turn bullish. I am seeing more opportunities, and I like today's price actions. The overall major averages on Thursday ended higher, helped by growth stocks. Market participants parsed mixed economic data amid an environment gripped by worries over higher rates for longer. Crude oil futures took a breather, easing some inflationary concerns. The tech-heavy Nasdaq added 0.83%, the benchmark S&P 500 gained 0.59%, and the blue-chip Dow rose 0.35%. Of the 11 S&P sectors, 10 ended in positive territory, led by communication services, materials, and consumer discretionary. Utilities were the sole losers. Treasury yields scaled back their advance as a bond sell-off decelerated. The 30-year yield had briefly touched 4.81%, its highest level since 2010. The 10-year yield had surged as much as 6 basis points to touch a session high at 4.69%. Was last down 5 basis points to 4.58%. The 2-year yield was down 8 basis points to 5.06%. So in other words, guys, what's going on is that everyone is, as I've been talking about this month, there's the fears of higher rates for longer. Rate cuts have been put on the back burner. The concerns about the economy is just too strong, and that the Fed is not going to take their foot off the gas pedal. And that is what's been driving stocks lower and creating this overall bearish market environment. Today, we saw personal consumption, which is the main driver of the U.S. economy, rose an annualized 0.8% in the April to June period. This is the weakest advance in over a year, but it's still stronger than the Fed would like. Other data showed GDP rose at an unrevised 2.1% rate during the period, while weekly jobless claims came in lighter than estimates. Traders will next be looking to tomorrow's data on the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index. In terms of risk-on sentiment, Bitcoin is one of my favorite indicators for to tell me what type of environment we're in, and it's risk-on with Bitcoin back above 27,000. So this is what I am watching right now, and this is what's keeping the market basically. Tesla bounced today, Nvidia. So the overall, the growth sectors, the Nasdaq tech sectors saw that bounce today. And then if you're looking at the for the entire month of September, which thank God tomorrow is the last day. I'm looking to put September behind us, focus on the last quarter of the year, and the stocks are headed for their second negative month in a row for the first time since last year. and stocks are just on a losing streak. Each of the three indexes are on pace to notch their second negative monthly performance in a row since September 2022. So again, 1 year. It's been 1 year. And here's how they've been performing this month. The tech-heavy Nasdaq is down 5.9% in September and is on pace for its worst monthly performance since December 2022, when it fell 8.73%. The S&P 500 is trading lower by 4.6% this month and is also on pace for its worst monthly performance since December 2022, when it dropped 5.9%. The Dow is down about 3% this month, and it's on pace for its worst monthly performance since May, when it fell roughly 3.5%. After the bell today, we got Nike earnings. I was talked about that in the weekend video. The stock is up 1.6% after the close, as the company beat profit estimates, but China sales missed. First fiscal quarter EPS of 94 cents beat the 75-cent average analyst estimate, while revenue of $12.94 billion missed the estimate of $12.99 billion. Greater China revenue of $1.74 billion missed the average expectation of $1.83 billion. The company also managed to draw down inventory with a total of $8.7 billion, comparing to the estimated $8.84 billion. Direct sales of $5.4 billion were up 6% from the year earlier. So again, good earnings report from Nike. Nike has just been on a absolute, got this double top here at 130, corrected lower here, closed today at 89.63, bouncing in the after hours. It's a sign of the overall consumer health of the retail sector. So this is closely watched. The bounce certainly after hours is good news, and the stock is down 25% year to date. Also, the company announced dividends of $524 million, which is up 9% from the prior year. So again, they're increasing their dividend. That's a sign that they are seeing some more strength in their business than maybe analysts were expecting. In terms of small caps and penny stocks, biotechs are where the action is right now. The reason is that they have catalysts irregardless of the overall market. They're dropping FDA news, new trial data, etc., and that gets the market excited. Today's big runner was BNOX, up 242%. We covered this one last month for our subscribers. Congrats to any subscribers still holding and caught today's move in BNOX. AXLA up 52% today. 22% of the float is short. This is a long COVID play. This is another one that we covered last month for subscribers. Just been an incredible runner. I mean, it did a reverse split, so on a split adjusted was at 259 last month on August 28th, ran all the way to 41.25 before pulling back all the way to under $8 and catching today's bounce. So a nice move today. Let's see if they can keep the momentum going into tomorrow. BXRX had news pre-market. The company announced orphan drug designation granted by US FDA for TI-168 for the treatment of hemophilia A with inhibitors. The company said, we are very pleased with the FDA's decision to grant orphan drug designation, which we believe highlights the urgent need for innovation and new therapeutic options for hemophilia A patients. We believe this is an important therapeutic area with established preclinical proof of concept through successes observed in hemophilia A with inhibitors in animal models. With an IND application already FDA cleared, we believe we can activate the phase 1/2A clinical trial with a modest initial budget and advance this therapy to further clinical investigation in early 2024. So modest initial budget is key, and that is why the market got excited today. AYTU, good earnings report last night after the bell. This is a clear chart breakout. We had major resistance here at $2, blasted through there, closed near the day's highs. Really like the price action in AYTU today. The company reported record revenues, record prescriptions, and highest adjusted EBITDA in company history for the fourth quarter. So Q4 net revenue of $30.7 million, adjusted EBITDA of $7.7 million. Total prescriptions increased 32% compared to Q4 2022. Prescription segment net revenue of $23.3 million and adjusted EBITDA of $8.3 million in Q4. Company's conference call after the bell was good. So again, let's see if there's further upside in AYTU. Again, this is a nice chart breakout. I'll be watching this one for more upside tomorrow. Lastly is NVOS, out with news after the bell. Stock is actually doubling. They got a $1 billion funding deal. They signed master collateral transfer agreement. Today announced Novo and Black Sheep Trust have signed a $1 billion master collateral transfer agreement for the purpose and general use of monetization by Novo for a period of up to 15 years. The $1 billion collateral transfer is expected to occur in one or more transactions during the current fiscal quarter following the validation and authentication by third-party audit procedures. The company's CEO and chairman of the board said Novo has secured its core business capital needs with previously disclosed financing and financing opportunities. We believe the pending monetization of this $1 billion collateral transfer transaction represents the solution to the company's hyper-growth expectations, and this transaction will allow the company to proceed with its international growth objectives. We expect our ability to leverage this collateral will provide us with a self-sufficient capital platform, ensuring opportunistic and strategic advantage. So big news after the bell. Stock up over 100% in the after hours. Let's see if they can make new highs tomorrow above 55 cents. So that's a possibility. Be watching this one closely. But for tomorrow, our main focus here at InsiderFinancial.com is the stock research report we have for our subscribers on a low float Nasdaq small cap. Insiders own over 73% of the company. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. And here at InsiderFinancial.com, what we do is we put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves, like BNOX today, up 242%. And as I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Friday, everyone. Bye-bye.